Welcome back to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we've got a mouth-watering treat for you, homemade tacos. We'll walk you through every step of the process, from preparing the ingredients to assembling the perfect taco. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of flavors, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 ground beef, or ground chicken or turkey for a healthier option. Ground meat is a staple in taco recipes. It's flavorful and easy to cook, making it the perfect choice for the meat filling. 2 taco seasoning mix. Taco seasoning is a blend of spices like chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and more. It gives your meat that delicious, spicy, and savory flavor. 3 corn or flour tortillas. You can choose between soft corn tortillas for an authentic taste or soft flour tortillas if you prefer something milder. 4 chopped lettuce. Fresh lettuce adds a satisfying crunch and freshness to your tacos. 5 diced tomatoes. Juicy, diced tomatoes bring a burst of flavor and a hint of sweetness to your tacos. 6 grated cheddar cheese. The creamy, melted cheddar cheese complements the meat and adds a rich, savory element. 7 chopped red onions. Red onions offer a slightly sweet and crisp contrast to the other ingredients. 8 sour cream. Creamy and tangy, sour cream helps balance the heat from the spices. 9 salsa. Salsa provides a vibrant, zesty flavor that enhances the overall taco experience. 10 guacamole, optional. Creamy guacamole adds a delightful, creamy texture and a hint of avocado freshness. 11 sliced jalapenos for some heat. If you're a fan of spice, jalapenos bring the heat and a burst of flavor to your tacos. 12 olive oil. A drizzle of olive oil in the skillet is used to prevent the meat from sticking and to give it a rich, savory flavor. 13 salt and pepper. Season the meat with salt and pepper to enhance the overall flavor. 14 cilantro for garnish. Fresh cilantro leaves add a burst of herbal freshness to your tacos. Before we begin cooking, let's prep our ingredients. 1. In a skillet, heat a drizzle of olive oil over medium heat. The sizzle of the meat will be music to your ears. 2. Add the ground beef, breaking it apart with a spatula, and season it with salt and pepper. Watch as the meat browns and develops that mouth-watering aroma. 3. Once it's browned, add the taco seasoning mix, and follow the package instructions. Usually, it's a combination of water and seasoning. Let it simmer until it thickens, filling your kitchen with enticing scents. 4. While the meat is simmering, let's prepare our toppings. Get your chopping board ready. 5. Chop the lettuce and tomatoes. The vibrant colors of fresh vegetables are a sight to behold. 6. Grate the cheddar cheese and finely dice the red onions. 7. If you're a fan of spicy food, slice some jalapenos. 8. Warm up your tortillas. You can do this in a dry skillet for a few seconds on each side or in the microwave for 15 to 20 seconds. Warm tortillas are more pliable and delicious. 9. If you want, you can make some homemade guacamole or use store-bought. Freshly made guacamole is a game changer. 10. Now, everything's ready, and it's time to assemble your culinary masterpiece. Assembling your homemade tacos is the fun part. It's like creating edible art. 1. Take a warm tortilla and lay it flat on your plate, ready to become your canvas. 2. Spoon in a generous portion of the seasoned ground beef, allowing the rich, savory aroma to greet your senses. 3. Top with lettuce, adding a satisfying crunch and a burst of green freshness. 4. Diced tomatoes follow, providing a juicy, sweet contrast. 5. Grated cheddar cheese goes on next, ready to melt and blend with the meat. 6. Diced red onions offer a slightly sweet and crisp touch, enhancing the overall flavor profile. 7. If you like it spicy, add some sliced jalapenos, adding a kick to your taco. 8. Add a dollop of sour cream. Its creaminess helps balance the heat and spices. 9. A spoonful of salsa is next, bringing a vibrant, zesty flavor to your taco. 10. If you made guacamole, don't forget to add a scoop of that too. The creamy avocado goodness is a delight. 11. Finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for that burst of flavor and a pop of color. 12. Carefully fold the tortilla in half, like a culinary embrace, to create your taco. And there you have it, a plate full of delicious homemade tacos. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Thank you very much, tacos lovers.